The future of food. Lab-grown meat revolution. What if your next burger didn't come from a cow, but a lab? Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Welcome to the future of food, where meat is being made without animals. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking shifts in food production history, the lab-grown meat revolution. Chapter 1. The problem with traditional meat. Before we get to the solution, let's talk about the problem. The global meat industry is massive. It's valued at over $1.4 trillion. But it's also one of the biggest contributors to climate change, using huge amounts of land, water, and energy. Animal agriculture is responsible for around 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. That's more than all cars, planes, and trains combined. And let's not forget the ethical dimension. Over 70 billion animals are slaughtered every year for food. Chapter 2. What is lab-grown meat? Enter cultivated meat, also known as lab-grown meat or cultured meat. It's real meat, made without slaughtering animals. The process starts by taking a small sample of animal cells, usually via a painless biopsy. These cells are then placed in a nutrient-rich solution inside a bioreactor where they multiply and grow into muscle tissue, the very same tissue we know as meat. No genetic modification, no Frankenstein food, just clean meat, grown in a controlled environment. Chapter 3. The science behind it. Growing meat isn't as simple as growing cells. You need the right scaffolding to shape the tissue, fat to enhance flavor, and nutrients to make it nutritious. It's a blend of biology, chemistry, and engineering, says Dr. Emily Cho, a cellular agriculture expert. We mimic the conditions inside an animal's body, temperature, nutrients, and pressure, to get real meat, just without the animal. Chapter 4. The big players and global race. Over 150 companies worldwide are racing to bring lab-grown meat to your dinner plate. Singapore became the first country to approve the sale of lab-grown meat in 2020. The US followed with regulatory approval in 2023. From chicken nuggets to Wagyu beef, the possibilities are expanding fast. Chapter 5. The challenges. So, if the science works and it's better for the planet, why isn't it everywhere yet? 3 big challenges: cost, scale, and acceptance. While the price of lab-grown meat has dropped dramatically, it's still more expensive than traditional meat, especially for large-scale production. And then there's the yuck factor. People are still getting used to the idea of meat from a lab. Chapter 6. Why it might change everything. But if the challenges are overcome, the payoff is massive. Cultivated meat could reduce global emissions by up to 90%. It could free up land the size of India. And it could help feed 10 billion people sustainably. Chapter 7. What's next? In the next 5 to 10 years, we might see hybrid products, part plant-based, part cultivated, hit fast food chains and supermarket shelves. We're not just changing how food is made, we're redefining what's possible. So, would you try lab-grown meat? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of food, tech, and sustainability. Stay curious, stay sustainable, and we'll see you next time.